How to find weekly screen time updates on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find weekly screen time updates settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy, and then just scroll down until you find digital well-being, and here you will find it weekly screen time updates. And if you want to turn it on, just click on it and you can turn it off again, and that's it. And that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.